record. So earlier I said there's a reason why we're kind of experiencing some difficulty here. It's because these things that I'm going to talk about are kind of like really the essence of things that are inside. They're things that now elders, traditional folks, these are like holy beings. These elements make life not just one time, but continuously. And after we're gone, we're still going to receive help. And for those that are coming to Earth, they are also receiving this power. They're like energy. They're like physically, we might call them light, air, or water, or Mother Earth, or air. But these are the elements that make up who we are. And if we are without one of these, we basically don't exist, don't exist. And so we'll kind of and I'm thinking maybe we should just take it, just the first two, and kind of pause, and then we'll think about it. And then next time we can take up the next two. Okay. So I don't know how deeply all of you think about there's not just the physical part of us. There's not just the heart or the bones or the blood or, and the soul. There's a soul. There's a spiritual giant inside us. And that giant has lived forever. And that giant can be, we choose to, while we're here on the earth, we choose to tap into it, meaning let it come. And it's all based on, do I want it to come? It's your choice. And if you do, then you can connect to nature things. The water that's there, the fire that's there, the air that's there, the Mother Earth, all those will begin to say, this is you. This is energies that were brought together to make up you as a physical and spiritual person. Anyway, so we were disconnected for a few minutes, for just a minute or two, but we're back together again. So did you notice that in that term, I immediately thought in terms of like things went dark, but yet light came back and we're back on board. We're together again. So all these things are like things that do that around us. And that's the reason why we meaning the net people, we say stay close to spiritual ways, because that's got a lot more answers than just our body, just listening to our body, just listening to our hearts, just listening to nature. There's a stronger understanding of things, and our job is to listen, to receive, and then to use. That's kind of the essence. And that's the reason why morning is so important, because light comes, right? Light comes. And that's the first one, as we talk about this is the first one right here. And we call it Adendin, 4 sounds. A, de, ne, din. So strong is this word that when we look at the corn pollen, that the little, looks like dust, but they're what it is they're seeds, and they're when it's scattered, it bonds with and the other part, probably the male or female part, and they bond together, and it gives life. It awakens life, and we call that corn pollen. In Navajo, we call it Tatadin, which is really close to this Adenedin. Atendi means there's a ray of light, a ray of light. Hatatin is the little, we named it, meaning the corn pollen, that yellow, that color is the same color as the light. We're getting close to that light. And that yellow hatatin means light that goes all over. So when you pray, you would take that hatatin, put some of it, a small dab of it on top of your tongue. And that's for your inside, meaning let light be all through my body. And then a part of that little pinch of corn pollen, you also put right where the circle begins, or the winding, and you let it sit there. And that's to bless the outside of your body. And then to give back means to let it go through it, let it go in the air. As we want to bless all living things. Bless yourself, bless all living other things. And this is probably the essence of how Navajo says there's holy beings around us all the time. So Dindin is a holy being to them, a light. And look what it says here. Light is thought. Light is wisdom. Light is enlightenment. So over here we say, for thought we say, Tsahakis, Tsahakis. So when you see the light that hits your face or your body or your eyes, or those rays are actually like thoughts coming to you. If there's something that triggers your thoughts to, it's a wonderful day, if you do that, that means the light did its job in your mind and in your heart and in your soul. So all those things connect. That light brought all this goodness, and you recognized it as a good thing. So thought is light. And the next one is Huotzang, which is wisdom. So the thought becomes like an understanding of something. So wisdom could be one word, could be two words, could be a paragraph. It could, come in a package, and we call it Huotzang, which is wisdom. And so when you first feel something, or first comes to your mind something, it's good to just say, I think this is good. I think I need to understand it a little bit more. And so wisdom starts showing up. Explanation of things starts showing up. And sometimes it's our eyes that see. Sometimes it's our ears that hear. And sometimes it's a feeling of our heart just getting what I call wisdom. And then the other one is enlightenment. Meaning you understand. You understand the little light word. You understand the wisdom and say, I never thought about that before. I should remember this. I should apply it to me. I should apply it to my children. I should apply it to my family. I should apply it to the rest of the world. And so it's kind of like revelation that comes to you, personal revelation, you might say. And so that's how we think of how people think about this light. So Dindin is a great thing, particularly when you wake up, when you first notice it, like, okay, it's gonna come up, and then the first light hits you. That's like a blessing to you. Thoughts, good thoughts. All right, let's do the next one. Ho is water. So to the Dana, light is the living thing. So it comes and it feeds you. It makes you move, makes you alive, right? So if I said a question like let's say Marissa, Marissa, Atin. And then, well, let's go up here. Sorry. Marissa, Atin, and Hate Ao, Be, Dahinina. How does it make us live? How does it make us live? And the answer is, Marissa, or you come back and say, that's wrong. Atin, there. Atin. You just read it right here. The answer is right here. Atin sa kiss. What's that? Do be de ti. Be. There's the be. Be de ti. Be de ti. Enlightenment. At ego. Be dahinina. We all live by that. We live by it. When I say live, I'm including horses and cats and dogs and fish and birds and everything that lives, trees, mountains, everything on Mother Earth. We live by this light, is basically what I'm saying. Yeah, it's beautiful. And then we go to the Tuo. Tuo acts the same way as light. Here, we just start getting thirsty, and all of a sudden we take some water, and it gives life. It gives life. We call it the life-giving force. Ina bebetsili. It gives strength to life, strength to your body, strength to your mind, brain, heart, all the parts, right? All the parts. So out of all the watery stuff, or all the thing that you take off, that you need to take pure water, because it gives life to every part of you. Do nasihi at ego be dahinina.
Ego.
And let me tell you what nasi means. It heals. It heals. The healer kind of idea. Nasihi, the one that heals. The one that heals. I didn't put it up here, but I will when I get close. Right now, it's your only part is to read, and so I might say Noah. Atin, instead of saying din, I would say Noah. How do we live by water? And your answer would be Tuo ina yebtsili or yebtsil. Let's just say yebtsil. And let's just make it one word. Zil. Hoye ina yebtsil. Do nasihi at ego be dahinina. So the answer would be be dahinina down here. Okay, and there's where the answers go. All right. So that's our reason. That's what we're going to deal with these two right now. When we come back, we'll actually talk about now some, because that's also something that we have that makes us live, right? And then Nishche is another one that makes us live. We can't just not let air inside us. We have to have air come inside us. And it's kind of like a healer. It does its job, and we begin to say, "Oh, oof, I love that breath," And so the cheese. Yet it's also in nature. Yet Mother Earth also is covered by this nature. And Mother Earth has a body, Mother Earth has this water that makes plants grow, trees grow, and Mother Earth has this light come to her, and the flowers and trees, all animals, all things living are growing, or move. Yeah. So, all right, let's try it. Yeah. There he goes. Noah's already speaking away. All right, so anybody that wants to pass this off, we'll say to you. We'll say the question to you. No, this is the answer part. Sorry. This is the answer part. We go up high. So there's like 1 and 2. So we'll ask the question first. Whoever. How do you live by Adendin? And your answer would be Mr. Long, Adendin Ntsakis Hotza Dobe Edetihi at Ego Betahinina. We live by the light. We live by these ideas of the light. And then we'll go to over here and say the same person and say, or another person. We'll just go back and forth between these two. Okay. And we'll say, Helen, and your answer is right here. Mr. Long. Ina Yebtsil. Ina Yebtsil. Do Naaltsihi at Ego. Be Dahinina. Oh, down here. Be Dahinina. Sorry. So this is a question. This is the answer. All right. Put a yes by your name if you're ready to start. It looks like we're blank right now. Say yes or oh, either one. Oh. There we go. All right. So Micah chose number 1. Let's go ahead. Micah chose Micah chose. Micah chose. Right here. Sorry. Start here. Adendin hait ao betahini na. All right. Mr. Long. Go ahead.
Mr. Long. Dini din to hai obe dahinina.
Yeah. Okay. So the whole thing is the answer.
Yep, Mr. Long. Dini din nsa hai kis ho za do be di si hai etigo be dahi ni na.
Oh, good job. Hakoshi, let me go a few more and then I'll have folks ask the question. All right, Alicia, going up here, Alicia, din. Oh, let's try the talk.
Okay, so you want me to read which part again?
Yeah, so this is the question. I say, Alicia, and I'm gonna go to to. I have a choice right here. I can ask the question with a din or to. So I'll say to. When I say to, don't go here, go up here for the answer. So you'll say Mr. Long, din. No, don't say din. To. You have to say to. So it's a choice again right here. Let's see. Yeah. sorry, let's see. Yeah. So the choice. So you say to. It's out of the way, so you need to. Okay, so to, and then say to ina ye bezil. Again, I'm going to do that here. So you say to ina ye bezil. Do nalzihi at ego bedahinina. All right, ready? Yad
Okay.
Alicia to het bedahinina.
Yate, Mr. Long. To la naye bits. How do you say that?
Bezil.
Bitsy dona
Ash
ash
zihi.
does does he does
Uh-huh.
he at ego
Be
be daha dahanada
dahinina.
dahe.
Dahinina. Oh, good. John, we got it. We got it. So we did two. And then Dean, and then we did the 12. All right, let's go to, I'm going to Marissa. And then Dean. Hate out. Be dahinina.
Yat Mr. Long Adidni din Nsahak is Hozaja Dobe Idej He at Ego
Oh, yeah.
Bedahaini na.
That's you attempted it, and you actually, it's like calling that person's name deep inside you. It's like you've awakened something inside you, and if you think about it, it's energy is flowing through you when you're saying something.
Yeah.
All right, yeah. Now I want you to turn around, meaning go up here, and you have a choice. You can say it in Dean, or you can say to. Now two, that's Tim. Let's have you ask the question to Tim.
Yat Tim. Wait, I could choose between either
Oh,
one.
yep. And then
Okay.
Dean or to.
Yat Tim to height out bit dahaini na.
Uh-huh.
Naye
it.
bits. Oh, sorry.
That's it. Yes, your question right there. That's all right. Tim. Yeah. Who are you talking to? Yeah, Marissa.
Marissa, tour, tour the Nelena.
Yeah, to ina ye bezil. Do na'zihi at ego. Dahinina. All the way to there. Nijan, good job. Okay, I want you to go to Dana. Tim, ask Dana a question.
Hold on, he's asking me a question.
Yep. So Tim, you're asking Dana.
Yat Dana Ada Nedina Beda Nedle.
Dinina. So you're talking to Tim, all right?
Yatte Tim. Atini dito Hizarach Hodalshat Dobe Delshini Dego Beda Hinina.
Oh, Nijan. Good job. Excellent. Excellent. Remember the, I don't know if you remember this, but where was it? Right here. Remember there's Shiza, the Haozhong. When we apply our what we call our heart language, there's some energy that gets waken up. And that's the reason why we say Shiza the Haozhong. My voice, my energy of my sounds is coming alive, you know. So when you get to here, whoops, that's the dinner. No, when you say these words, and this is unique. There's no other language. There's no other language that has this way of saying things. And because of that, we are, how would you say, it's kind of like we're put in a special category, or our identity is not the same as everybody else. So every group of people have a certain knowledge or way that they are given. It's kind of like a gift that is theirs to partake of and use. And the way you will use it is helping our younger or our people, basically. All right, let's go to Micah. So Dana, you ask Micah this question right here.
Okay. Yatte Micah. Sorry, it's blurry on my screen.
Or to is right. To out.
Tohika bedahinena.
Yep. And your answer, you have to say to right here. You have to say and your person was Dana. Micah say Dana.
Yat a Dana to sorry, it's kind of blurry. Inya bidzido na aidzihe atego be bedahini na.
Good job. All right, so I might just make this a little bit bigger. And this one, make it a little bit bigger, so you can see it. All right, here we go. Now ask Micah, you ask Candace. Go ahead and choose Candace.
Yat a Candace dine din haito be hadinena.
Cool.
Yate Micah Adinidin Zahakes Otzadobe Edetihi Atego Bedahinina.
Perfect. Beautiful. Okay, now Candice, you are going to ask Kimbra.
Yate Kimbra to Hatobedahinina.
Yata a Candace. Adini bin to na ye visit do na alze at a go bedahinil na.
Very good. Kimbra, you're asking the question to Noah.
Yata a Noah Adenedin Hato Bedahinina.
Yate Adinidin
Sakis.
Hakis Otso Do De Edin in article be dahina dahinina.
And Nijanya, excellent. Wow, wow, everybody did it. That's really cool. So I'm just gonna take a quick picture of that so I remember that you guys did it.
Mr. Long, I think you skipped me, but I don't know. Maybe I just didn't hear you call my name.
Where's your name?
Misha Cho.
Oh, okay, we're gonna go back up to you. So Noah, back to you, Noah. Noah, put Misha Cho right there, yeah, and ask her a question.
Yate mishito adenedin hai be dahinina.
Yate Noah. Adeni Den Nitsa Hakis Hotsa Tope De Hi Ateko Be Dahin Na.
Yeah, good job. Excellent. Anybody else I missed? Anybody else we missed? All right, I think you guys did really well. I put a little bit more of the answer because I thought, well, one is because it's there. I mean, it's what it means. Two, I wanted you to begin to read more. And so, but we're actually mixing all four, what I call more modalities: the thinking, the speaking, and the reading and the writing. All those four. And you're doing all those four. So you're while you're saying, you're thinking and you're speaking. That's how it goes. All right, let me take a picture of that. Okay. Well, anybody have any other questions about? So we're just gonna go halfway in this other part, since we're not full. We're not. We have about, I don't know how many people here, but. Used to be a number here. Oh, 19. We have about 19 here. We usually have almost double. But the other, when we come back, we'll tackle this other side. And another to the Navajos, a holy being, and another one, Neche. All right. Well, I'm going to let you guys go. And if you have no more questions, and if you wanted, if there's somebody that just wants to do it with me, but you didn't do it on this with the group, you can just stay after and we can do it. Got a few minutes here. Okay, Nijanya. We'll see you next Tuesday, 4 o'clock. We'll have. We're going to have the full group next Tuesday. All right, and I'll put the recording. I'll go ahead and stop the recording now. We'll put this recording right where the